Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how the time premium is decay when the market is in range bound mode. So we are finding out the range bound mode based on the ADX. So the last video and previously we are discussing about how we can make a short straddle to make some good and consistent profit. Here also the same kind of thing which we are going to discuss here. And again I tell you, when the ADX, using the ADX, we can find out the range bound in the market or the momentum is reducing. So previously if it is a ADX is more than 25 and above, the range is big, or the momentum of the stock should be good. But we are doing a trade with a short straddle, so we need less momentum, and the range bound will give you the time premium as benefit. And again I'm saying the short straddle, the stock selection is very important, because if you're selecting a trending stock or high volatile stocks, your start straddle may go to in losses too. But as our ideology, while using the ADX indicator, we are not using any other indicator here, only ADX. And few days back also we have made a video about on that video we discussed about Jindal Steel future. And this is a daily chart of Jindal Steel, where we see on 16th it made a high, but previously it is a range bound because ADX is losing its momentum. And we seen on 16th the ADX value is around 18. So here on the 16th the value of ADX is around 18.97. Here it facing downward. After that it sudden it fall around from the closing price on 16th June is around 407, and after that it fall down to 364, and then it recovered up to 407 and ending with a 397. Compared to that price, it is a 10 rupees low from that particular price. That is a on 16th price. On 16th we are focusing to trade on July contract. That time the premium which we are discussed about 54 rupees, and how the premium is going to decay. So you see we are taking a short straddle on 400 strike prices on, that is we are checking on the June, and we are going to do the trade on July contract, because last week we should square our position due to physical delivery. So that is why we are going to focus on the next contract, then how it became performed on from 16th June. But we seen somewhere after 16th, so the premium, this is the straddle premium of 400 call and 400 put of Jindal Steel 29th July contract. Here you see how the premium is decaying while we are focusing on a long-term options. Even we have getting more premium on that. Let's say on here, let's show you what is that. 16th February it is closed with 62.05. You see that Jindal Steel price were trading around 406. We are selecting 400 and call and put option, but how the premium is decreasing. Let's check it out. So the premium value is around uh, here around 62 rupees. That 62 rupees as the premium, where we are selling around 407. So plus 62 and minus 62 as we are cushion for our short straddle. So whenever market breaks above 62 point below or higher, then only we are going to lose money, until unless we have a 62 point buffer. But still market from 407 it fall down to 368 and again recover to 412, and now it is closed around for 399. So what happened in this day from 16th to now 30th? So almost last 15 days, what happened? The stock was trading in a narrow range. When the narrow range if happen in the market in a stock or index, we seen there will be a decay in a premium. So you see that how the premium were reduced its value. And now what should be the premium? It is very less on the premium. It is what we say, how we get that maximum premium. Okay, so from 62, you see 62 to now is around 37 or 38. It may give you a better profit is around 40 60, almost you got 24 rupees as a profit. It's a multiplication of the lot size of Jindal is 2500. So you got some huge amount from this kind of trade. So this is the power of option premium decay or power of option selling. So while you are using the margin is around 3.6 to 4 lakhs margin to require to do the trade, but you see that after 16th the premium is keep on going down and a little bit higher and again down and little bit up with now, but you see that direct drop in the premium. So when we focusing the right approach while finding out the range bound stock, that will give you perfect result always. This is not only the backtest result, and as if you are checking my previous videos, we are saying even we given some idea about when it is trading around 54. From 54 to 38, that is also be huge with a capital. So it is giving you more than 20-30% return. So the important thing to do this kind of trade, the only thing we have to find the range bound stocks. Once we find out the range bound stocks, even we can make smaller profit using the range bound, and still again the market is moving downward. The ADX is showing a downward. Now ADX is 19. So there will be another opportunity where we can do with the 400 strike price. Now the premium is around 37.8, almost 38 is the premium. Even if you are selling 38, even another few days we may be getting the drop in the premium, because we are expecting the less volatility in this particular stock. While if you are focusing this kind of trade opportunities, that will always better. The only thing, so we have to deploy our capital and we can get that premium whenever it drops. The right opportunity present here also. There is no late to make a short straddle around this particular point. Even if you maintain a stop loss also, we can maintain high of this candle, so our recent highs. But we can know how to manage the trade and the adjustment trade, whatever. So before knowing that, so even better chances to make money using a short straddle kind of strategy. I hope this may be a little bit eye opener video to you all. So, and if you want to learn more options trading strategy, you just contact the number which is scrolling on that upside of this video. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can comment on the comment box. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.